Hi, today is three bean chili. Well, it's football season, and there's nothing better that goes with football than chili. So I'm going to begin with 3/4 cups of chopped onions. I'm going to add that to my pot with 2 tablespoons of oil, the oil of your choice. I'm going to add a half a cup of green bell peppers and saute those. Now, this chili recipe is not one of my low and slow recipes. This is one that you can make after work, and it takes less than 30 minutes. It's probably a 20-minute recipe tops. You're going to add a 10-ounce can of petite tomatoes. You'll also add a 2 pounds of ground beef. And so you can cook that separately. I cook them in the onions and the bell pepper, and then I'm going to drain the ground beef and add it back to the tomato, onion, and bell pepper mixture. Okay, and then I'm going to stir that. I'm adding this chili seasoning that I like. It's called Carol Shelby Chili Kit, and it comes with 3 packages. So it has the main seasoning, which I just showed you there. And it has masa if you want to thicken the chili. And then it has some extra red pepper should you want to add red pepper to this to make it a little more spicy. Next, I'm going to take my 3 different kinds of beans, my black beans, my red beans, and my dark kidney beans. And I'm going to open them up, and rinse those well. You can see how pretty all 3 beans are. I'm then adding my chili powder mixture, and then a cup and a half of water. And I'm then going to add all my different color beans, and just stir, right? And let that simmer for about 15 minutes. When it's done, you can serve it with or without cornbread. I do my jalapeno cornbread with this recipe, and or you could serve it over rice. But it is a perfect introduction to football season.